Now, one of the big keys to your success is going to be the promotion efforts of your affiliates and your JV partners. Okay, so once you've created your funnel, you've listed your products, now let's go ahead and focus on launching your product. You need a JV page. Actually, this is optional, but if you have a JV page, you know what? You're going to be taken more seriously by potential affiliates and JV partners. When I'm looking to promote something as an affiliate, I'm looking for products to promote. If they don't have a JV page, chances are I'm not going to promote the product. Although I have promoted products that do not have JV pages, but if they have a JV page, the more likely I'm going to promote their product. I scan JV launch calendars such as Muncheye for products to promote, and that's what I recommend you do. Is that when you have a product launch coming, is to list your product on one of these many JV launch calendars, such as Muncheye. I just use Muncheye, but if you want, you could use other JV launch calendars. And what I'm talking about is websites where they list upcoming product launches, okay? Because you want to get exposure and you want affiliates to take notice of your upcoming product launch. Okay, now when on your JV page, you also want to have an opt-in form on there because you want to build a list of JVs and affiliates so that in the future, when you have other product launches, you can easily notify them. Okay, they don't have to go out looking for you. You could just notify them of your upcoming product launch. Okay, you also want to contact other marketers in your niche who may potentially want to promote your product. Okay, you also want to offer a cash contest. Again, this is optional, especially if you don't have any money. But if you do have the capital, you can go ahead and hold a cash contest to attract affiliates. You can offer cash prizes for the top 10 affiliates. You can offer speed prizes and others. If you want to get ideas on how to create cash or on the type of cash contest you could have, try to see what other uh, vendors or product launchers are offering as cash prizes for their contests and how they model their contests. Okay, and you also want to email updates to your JVs and affiliates during the launch, and also remind them to promote your product because after all there are several product launches going on every day and you are competing for the attention of your affiliates.